The IPL 2025 match between Punjab Kings and Delhi Capitals, held on May 8th at the HPCA Stadium in Dharamshala, was abandoned due to a power outage that led to the malfunctioning of floodlights. At the time of interruption, PBKS were in a strong position at 122/1 in 10.1 overs, with Priyansh Arya scoring 70 runs off 34 balls and Prabhsimran Singh unbeaten on 50. The match had already faced a 90-minute delay due to rain and a wet outfield. The abandonment was further compounded by security concerns following reported incidents in Jammu, leading to the evacuation of fans from the stadium.